Gentlemen, brothers, architects of the future, welcome back. I am masculinity architect Duwayne Langham, developing mature masculine leadership for this modern world. Fellas, I've got some exciting things to share about. We are 3 days away, partnered with the strong-minded, psychological, the science of manhood mastery brother himself, Vidal Webb. You know, here on my channel, we are all about being the architects of the future, building brick by brick, and this is another brick in the platform that I'm providing of value out into the world, and I can't wait to bring it to you. Let me bring you into the world of why these workshops mean something special for myself. What are the irrefutable truths, the foundational truths of manhood? I value cultivating, curating, and creating these spaces for men to go to work. Men's work is what I'm passionate about, no question. And from my experience, I have to be honest with you, there is a palpable element in the air when you bring men, masculinity, testosterone into one space together with a common view, iron sharpening iron, pushing all of us forward, diving into the distinctions that we'll be talking about, just an overview, kind of give you a flavor for what we're cooking with, because I want you to understand this. A conversation about the irrefutable truths is something that stands out to you of manhood, men's work. This is the place that you're going to want to be. On this video, I'm just going to do a flyby talking about the topics that we're going to be addressing. And then I want to remind you of the importance of a space such as a men's workshop in this day and age, modern times, 2023, especially if you're in the West. If you're in America, you know what I'm talking about. Now it's time to unveil the secrets. Let's let the cat out of the bag. What are the irrefutable truths of manhood? My partner Vidal and I have really gotten down to the bottom of it. We've done some thinking on your behalf. Get that simple, that was easy button. First thing you got to know, irrefutable truth of manhood. Man must be purposeful. Man in this day and age cannot afford to not be on his purpose. The second thing every man has to take on in his life is courage. A man in these modern times, in this day and age in 2023, cannot afford to let this last one go by the wayside. He must be dependable. Let that sink in. These are the irrefutable truths of manhood. I challenge you down in those comments, let me know any way, shape, or form that you feel we got it wrong. You feel we are off the mark, that you know what, there's something we forgot. Or matter of fact, I just think it's all bullshit. Y'all don't know what y'all talking about. Purpose? Dependable? Courage? What are these brothers talking about? That I want to hear from you then. Let me know what it is. And in the meantime, down there in those comments, check out that description. Hit the link, RSVP, so we can have the conversation in person. Again, this Saturday, July 29th. Eventbrite link is down below. This men's workshop. Settle it once and for all. If you got something to say, this is the space to play. These are the irrefutable truths of manhood. He's got to be purposeful. He's got to have courage. He has got to be dependable. Tell me something different. I'm waiting to see it. Brothers, one last thing I really want to underline, what draws me to this, not only this work, these types of spaces. I do what it is that I do, and the brother Vidal does what he does because no one has told us. It is 2023. We are far from the days of past where our forefathers had a rite of passage. That is where it all started. I stood up in 2018 and created a modern man's rite of passage, a way for us to have the space to actually go through these conversations, not to be told what to do, who to be, but giving each man a safe space to design and develop their own masculine expression. The line is, we don't have that. Here's the secret about those spaces. They create brotherhood. They create fellowship. They create community. Over and above all the value Vidal and I are going to be bringing to you this Saturday is that we will be creating brotherhood, fellowship, community, camaraderie, a safe space for men to just be, to express yourself, to get your emotions out to the ears and eyes of other men who understand your journey, who understand your demons, your dragons, and the mountains that you are climbing. Brothers, that is a valuable fucking space to be in. As men, I don't even have to ask. I know you know it's valuable, because look around. I guarantee you ain't got that shit in your life right now. Woo! That's why we do it. That's what it's all about this Saturday, the 1st, July 29th. The irrefutable truths of manhood is the discussion, and these men's workshops on a monthly basis in the Atlanta metro area is the place that you want to be. If you consider yourself a man, and if you got something to say about it, this is the space to let it be heard, let it be seen, and let it be known. And in the meantime, I'm going to be right here, being the best version of myself. One could say, beyond empowered. Question is, fellas, who are you going to be? Peace.